Welcome to Keto Master. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on keto tips, news, videos and ideas. 8 types of keto diets. Are you interested in following a ketogenic diet but don't have any idea where to start? The good news is, a handful of ketogenic diet variations have been developed to make it easier and more flexible to follow, since you are given the freedom to choose which keto plan matches your lifestyle the best. We will break down the 8 different ketogenic types and provide details on how each diet works. Standard Keto Diet. When you are on a standard ketogenic diet, you plan your meals and snacks ahead by mainly considering high-fat foods like fish, meat, avocados, olives, olive oil, butter, and ghee. Standard Keto Diet targets around 150 grams of fat per day in order to boost metabolism and burn fat for energy. Additionally, you need to reduce your carbohydrate intake to less than 50 grams a day. Therefore, you must stick to consuming non-starchy vegetables, leafy greens, and low-carb fruits such as berries. Lastly, you are also going to put your protein intake in moderation to about 90 grams a day or 30 grams per meal. Cyclical Keto Diet. The cyclical ketogenic diet involves cycling in and out of ketosis to allow you to have a more balanced diet on your so-called days off, or keto cheat day, as what other people like to call it. One keto cycle includes 5 days of a strict keto diet and 2 non-keto diet days every week. Some people save their keto cheat days for special occasions or vacations where they know they're not going to be able to stick to the traditional keto diet. The secret to the cyclical keto diet is to consume more healthful carbs on your days off, such as starchy veggies, dairy products, fruits, and whole grains, rather than going nuts over sugary and processed foods. High-protein keto diet. The high-protein ketogenic diet plan includes the consumption of about 120 grams of protein and 130 grams of fat a day, while carbs intake is still restricted to less than 10% of calories per day. A lot of people find this type of keto diet easier to follow since it allows eating more protein and less fat as compared to the standard keto diet plan. However, the high-protein keto diet has lesser chance to result in ketosis because, just like carbs, protein is converted into glucose for energy. On the other hand, this will result in an effective weight loss. Targeted Keto Diet. This keto diet plan is common among active people and athletes who follow a keto diet but need more carbohydrates. The targeted keto diet involves allocating an added 20 to 30 grams of carbs straight away before and after exercising to encourage higher intensity workouts and boost recovery. In a TKD, you are given a total carb limit of 70 to 80 grams daily. It's best to eat dairy, grain-based foods, fruits, or sports nourishment products. Well-formulated keto diet. Steve Phinney, one of the leading keto diets researcher, is the one who introduced the term well-formulated ketogenic diet. This diet follows a similar plan as a standard keto diet, wherein the macronutrients of protein, fat, and carbs meet the same ratios as SKD in order to provide an excellent chance for ketosis. MCT Keto Diet. The MCT Keto Diet also follows the same blueprint as standard keto diet but focuses more on using medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, to give more fat content on the diet. MCTs are best found in coconut oil and can also be purchased on the market in the form of MCT emulsion liquids or MCT oil. Very low-carb keto diet. Standard keto diet follows a very low-carb diet, thus VLCKD is considered a standard ketogenic diet. Calorie-restricted keto diet. The calorie-restricted ketogenic diet also follows a similar outline to standard keto diet, except that calories are limited to a set amount. However, research shows that keto diets tend to be successful regardless of whether calories are restricted or not. Conclusion. The different keto diet variations allow people to achieve successful ketosis in various ways. The 8 keto diet types are all developed to cater to people's different diet and lifestyle preferences, but all have the same end goal at the end of the day.